What is up, everybody? I'm Moritz and I'm a Shopify developer from Germany, and I'm on the lookout for the best looking designs which are out in the web. And the other day I stumbled across SoloWave, which do have a really nice branding in general, but the section I did like in particular is this countdown timer bar up here, which has this nice little live timer. And I thought to myself, with Black Friday coming up, why not build something like that myself? And what we're gonna be doing today is gonna look something like this. I bought a little special Black Friday offer with 50% off everything, but we can fully customize that. And let's say we get right into it and I show you how you can build that for your own store. So the first thing I did for this is that I headed on over to the Shopify App Store, where I did get the Section Store app. It's a component library with over 300 fully customizable Shopify exclusive components. And the way you can find the one I just showed you is by looking for Countdown Timer Bar 2. And instead of paying hundreds of dollars for developers like me, you can easily get this one for a one-time fee of $9. And you can see it right here. And those are all the things you can customize. It is fully responsive, specifically optimized for mobile, and the installation is super easy as well. And I'm going to show you how this works. So after successfully getting the section to your very own store, you have to head to the My Sections area of the app, where you can find a collection of all the sections you are owning already. Here we go. This is the one. And then just add it to the theme you're using. In my case, it is the Dawn Light theme, but it does work on every theme. That's also something you don't have to worry about. And then simply just open up your theme editor right here. And then we jumping directly to the one I just showed you. It's the one you saw in the beginning of the video. I want to show you how it looks on mobile. I did some customizations for that as well. So as you can see right here, this is looking perfectly fine as well. And now I want to get a bit more into detail. So if I go to this, you can see I placed a countdown timer bar right here. If I would place it completely from scratch, let me just get rid of that and add the section here. So countdown timer bar 2. It does come with those settings right here. And if those are applied, it will automatically always be at the top. So it's going to be up there. But if we're going to delete this, it's going to be where it actually is in the store. So you can see that in a second as well. So right now it's exactly where I dragged it, but we want to have it like that, but we want to have it at a different position, and that is where I dragged it here. If I would add it to the header, it would also be automatically at the top right here, but we want to have it underneath the header because I do think it looks quite nice in this case. And yeah, let's get more into detail. If we click on the block itself, you can see I removed the CSS class here, removed the text here. We can also put a URL. For example, if you put it in the header on the main page, you can link to a product or a collection or whatever you prefer. If you do drop shipping, you can link it to the product you're offering. Here you can change the font size. So if I make this a bit bigger, we always have to give it a reload to see all the changes we've done. I'm just gonna give you a quick walkthrough of how this works. So now this got even bigger. And yeah, here we can change all the days when the timer is actually gonna get set to. And if it's completed, we can hide it, and we can also hide the whole section if it's completed. So this is gonna disappear if I wanna hide the timer, if I check that, and if I don't, the whole thing will disappear. Okay, here are a bunch of more things you can customize. And if I scroll all the way down, you can also see all the colors I can customize. So if I want to have it in that red or orange you saw in the beginning of the video, I could easily do that as well. So let's save that up real quick. Here you can see now it's all in orange, and here just a bunch more padding options you can do if it's going to be full width or not. And let's say we just have a fine look at it in the live version. Let's give this one a reload actually and see if our changes got applied. I made this a bit bigger, changed the background. And yeah, that pretty much brings us to the end. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.